Finding free AI video generators is getting harder, but some powerful tools are still available at no cost. In this video, I'll show you the best free AI video generators you can use right now. Let's get started. First, we have Meta AI. When we open it, create image and create video. We will click on the create video option, upload our reference image using the plus symbol icon, then paste the video prompt and click on generate, and as you can see, our video has started generating. In just a few seconds, the video will be generated completely. You can see in the final result how clear and high quality our generated video looks. The second is Qwenai. Let's open it. Here, we can see options like create image and create video and set the aspect ratio. After that, select the desired option, click on the upload button, and upload your reference image. Then paste your prompt and click on the generate icon. As you can see, our video has started generating. Within a few seconds, it generates a very clear, high quality, and visually appealing video. Next, we have Qwenai. This is the Qwenai interface. From here, you can generate both images and videos, upload images or audio files, and access multiple AI models. First, click on the model menu and choose the AI model that best matches your project. Next, open the settings panel. Here, you can customize the aspect ratio, video quality, duration. Simply upload your image, paste your prompt, and then click the Generate Video button. Qwenai will process your prompt and image, then create your AI video in just a few moments. Can you check if our AI video has been generated with good clarity? It's your turn next in the LM Arena. This is Arena AI. Enter your prompt and instantly test different models. Find the best performer and take your AI workflow to the next level. And as you can see, our video will be generated and ready in just a few seconds. The video quality is also absolutely amazing. And coming in at the last spot is Gemini. When you open it, you'll see an interface like this. Here, you'll find options to upload an image and add a voice. Next, click on the plus icon and upload your reference image. Then, paste your prompt into the text box. Once everything is set up, your video generation process will start automatically. As you can see, our video looks incredibly smooth and clear. So guys, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to watch more informative AI videos like this, stay connected with us and keep supporting the channel.